Roll and Slide Class 1 Chapter 2.
Look carefully at the playground. Can you tell which objects roll and which slide? Hello kids! Welcome to Vamika Learning World.
Today we will learn about objects that roll, slide, or do both.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hello, little learners! Welcome to Vamika Learning World. Let's learn, explore, and have fun together. Ready to begin? Let's go!
Look! The children are playing carom. The striker moves across the board. It slides on the smooth surface. When a round object moves by turning over and over, it rolls. When an object moves without rolling, it slides. These objects are round. They can roll easily. Flat objects usually slide.
Some objects can do both. A bottle can slide and also roll.
Look carefully at the playground. Can you tell which objects roll and which slide?
It's quiz time. Are you ready? Tell me, does a football roll or slide? It rolls. Does a matchbox roll or slide? It slides. Can a bottle roll, slide, or both? Bottle can roll and slide both. Does an orange roll or slide? It is round, so it rolls.
Try this at home. Collect different objects and see whether they roll, slide, or do both. Great job! Today we learned about rolling and sliding objects. Keep exploring the world around you.
It's practice time. I have some questions for you. Can you circle the rolling objects? Here we have football, orange, marble, wheel, matchbox and book. Choose your answers. How many you did correct? Match your answers. Can you select the objects which can roll, slide or both? Look them carefully and put a tick in front of them. First one is football. Football can roll. So we have to put a tick in the box of roll. It's your turn now. Do the same with other objects also. Match your answers. This is a color coding activity. Use green color for the object that rolls, use blue color for the sliding objects, and use yellow color for the objects that can roll and slide both. Have you done the same answers? Now it is an observing activity. You have to find objects around yourself and write their name in the boxes of rolls, slide and both. These are some common examples. You also found these objects around yourself. It's drawing time. You have to draw one object that rolls, one object that slides, and one object that can do both. Yesterday I have shared a grandmother's story with you. Can you tell me? Dholak in the story can roll or slide? Or both? Write your answer in the comment box.
Thanks for learning with us. See you in the next video.
And stay tuned for the next videos. Bye bye. Follow my channel for more lessons.